So, yeah, you may already know that I have launched Youthfully Yours. So that's been awesome. I'm so glad I was able to launch it in October. We're in November now, and I have done 2 episodes so far. I'm just in the process of recording the third one, but I just wanted to have a look back at what I've done and to share with you some of the thoughts that have come to mind as a result of me posting up, what's happened, and where I'm at in the whole process. So stay tuned. Firstly, I thought that it'd be best to do 2 uploads so that I can almost compare the 2 and see what the differences are between them. Because when I did the first one, I got about 134 views on the post, which I thought was mega awesome. I was really chuffed about that. And and when I decided on the theme of how I was going to do the show, I had a particular structure and I wanted to be able to test whether that structure was going to work. So the way I did the structure was I started off, first of all, with a little bit of an intro. And the intro is kind of like what you'd expect to hear if you watched it kind of through to the end, or at least halfway through. So I did a little bit of an intro, and that intro was supposed to grab your attention and make you watch it till the end. And then I had really not much of a welcome, because normally in my previous kind of like posts that I've been doing, my previous YouTube uploads, I kind of like have like a little bit of an intro, but I find sometimes that can be distracting. And if somebody is showing up every single week and they're watching that intro all the time, it can be quite distracting. So I thought I'll do away with that and not have that for Youthfully Yours and just go straight into the content. And in the content, it's primarily me talking, but what I've done is I've kind of split it into 2 sections. So the first section is the education. So it's the general education to everybody, and the reasons as to why I believe that this education is important. I like draw upon my experiences and things that I've learned. And then halfway through, I do like a little bit of a demonstration of me doing the things that I'm talking about so that you can actually see it visually, because some people learn through words, but some people learn a lot better through visuals. So I've kind of like introduced the visuals at that point. And then towards the end, I'm more focused on those people that are going through something. So whether, they've got low self-esteem, or they're not confident about certain things, or, they kind of like need help on an emotional level. So I kind of like talk to them more directly, and I've got like a section for them. It's not kind of like cut off, but it just generally flows into that. But that's the manner and the way in which I've set it up. And at the end, I share what's coming next week, and it's just literally like it's a worded post that just says, hey, next episode is coming next week, and this is what we're going to be talking about. So for people that are interested in learning more, they can go, oh, actually, I'm going to look forward to next week, and hopefully subscribe. So that was the whole plan. So the first week did really well. Like I said, it had 134 views, and I was really chuffed about that. So my expectation was, come week 2, it was going to go up. So I did week 2, which was kind of like more about youthful body, and it was about exercise and stuff like that. And I only kind of like got about 34. Well, I say I only because 34 is still good. I got 34, but compared to the week before, it considerably dropped. I didn't quite understand why it dropped, because there was nothing that I changed. Because in addition to me doing the video, I also did a little short as well. And that short I pasted on YouTube, I put on my social media channels, I put them on a number of different channels. And in the week 1, what I found was that the spike went up when I posted my video on my Facebook channel. So when I posted it on my Facebook channel, I saw that a lot of people watched it. And I'm not sure whether that's because people clicked on my Facebook and go, oh, this is a great idea, and I'd like to know what's she up to, and they watched it, or whether it was just a coincidence. So I don't know yet. But what I do know is that my numbers went down. But having said that, although those video views went down, my overall subscription went up, which was really crazy, because now I'm on 900 people subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, officially, as far as YouTube's concerned, I'm an influencer when I've got 1,000 views, and also I think it's 5,000 watch time, something along those lines. But anyway, so if I'm on 900, I've only got 100 more subscribers. So not 1,000 views, 1,000 subscribers. So if I'm on 900, I've only got 100 more subscribers to officially kind of like be an influencer as far as YouTube's concerned. So it may well be that when I hit that 1,000 mark, that YouTube starts to show me to a lot more people that are currently not seeing my content. So I don't know, but so I'm still navigating through that. But I think what is really important is consistency, because it's really easy for you to get deflated, because I was quite deflated. I think I was so deflated that I didn't actually post in the 3rd week when I was supposed to post, which is not a good thing, because I'm learning that if you say you're going to do something, do it, you know. Don't say you're going to do something and don't do it. So I'm learning that. And regardless of what the outcome is, I need to keep showing up every single week. So I'm really sorry to anybody that's watching this, that watched You3 Yours and was expecting something last week and you didn't get it. Yeah, that was 100% my fault. But the good thing is it's coming this week. So what I've decided to do is, regardless of what it looks like or how it looks like, is just be consistent and keep posting up. And see how it goes, and then just monitor the trend. I feel like the manner in which the content has been displayed, I think I'm happy with that. So I'm not going to change that. I think the number of times in which I post up to all my different social channels, I'm going to continue doing that and be consistent with that and see what happens. But I feel like if I'm consistent, then maybe naturally the count's going to go up. And like I said, because my YouTube count has gone up, so, you know, my subscribers have gone out, I can't really complain. So yeah, I guess the update today is I really don't know what's going on. It's like, YouTube, what are you guys doing? Like, I don't understand how your algorithm works, which I guess is the point. If you're trying to chase that algorithm, you're going to be there forever. I suggest don't. I suggest, if you're doing something, just do it because you want to do it, not because you're looking for views, not because you're looking for, like, you know, for your numbers to go from A to Z, just because you actually want to post up. And I've got to start focusing again back on my why. Why was it that I showed up in the first place? And I just need to keep focusing on that and not get distracted on the, you know, the shiny things that could be promised to you but may never come. And because if you're always following the shiny things, what will happen is, yeah, you're always going to be following them. So you might as well stop following them, do what you're supposed to be doing, keep showing up every single day. It doesn't matter how long it takes, it will happen. If you're consistent, it will happen. It's just about making sure that if you see things that you need to tweak, then tweak them and get better. But just be consistent with your posting. That's one thing that I'm going to keep doing. I will see where we get to. So that's been my update. Yeah, if you haven't already watched You3 Yours, go and watch it. I think it's great for everybody. It's not that long. It's 10 minutes to 15 minutes. So yeah, it's not going to take any part of your day, really. But it's going to give you some good stuff. So anyway, that's me, and I hope this was useful to somebody. And yeah, take care, guys. Bye-bye.